Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Privileged Programmer. Today, I just want to talk to you about how to develop a plant monitoring system using Arduino Uno and HL69 hygrometer moisture sensor. So what you have to do, you must have your plant for the experiment, and then you buy the sensor in the Arduino Uno and the precursor buzzer for alarm and the LED. So I just want to show you the thing that you have to buy. This is the sensor. It has got the prong. This prong, you can put it on the plant, and this is the sensor. And then these are the pins that you can put on Arduino Uno so that the experiment will be successful. There is the VCC. The VCC, you put it on 5 volts pin on Arduino, and then there is analog 0, you can put it on analog 0 on Arduino Uno. Then there's JND ground, you can put it on Arduino ground. Then after this one, there's this buzzer. It has got the red wire, you can put the red wire on Arduino digital pin 11, and then the black wire, you can put it on ground. These alarms, as soon as the moisture level of the plant decreases to a level that you have coded. And then you need an LED. You put the long leg on the LED is the positive leg, and the shorter leg the negative leg. So you put the long leg to Arduino pin, digital pin 13, and then the shorter leg, the negative leg, to ground. Then after that, your experiment will be successful. I'm showing you the recorded experiment that I have done. This is the recorded experiment that I have done. As you see, there's a plant, and then I put the prong within the plant, and you see the Arduino Uno, and then my computer for uploading the code. This is how you do the plant monitoring system. This is the prototype project. You can broaden this idea to implement it on a farm. As you see, this is just a prototype. So this is how it works. As you see, this is my project. As soon as the plant dries, the alarm will ring and the LED will light. So this is how simple you can develop a plant monitoring system. If you put water, the alarm will switch off. As you see, this is what is happening. So this is the plant monitoring system. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. My name is Privileged Programmer. I'm posting videos about embedded engineering since I'm an embedded engineer. So thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial. Thank you. I'll be glad if you like and share, if you comment, if you subscribe to my channel, so that you see most of my videos, my ideas, and so. I like contribution. So thank you so much for watching.